What's up, everybody? Mr. Ball back at it with another item for you today. I wouldn't say it's so special because, it's an appliance, but here it is. It's the Power XL Classic Air Fryer. You know, as seen on TV. Fried food, I love it. Who doesn't, right? But maybe it's not so good to eat fried food all the time. So at this age, the wife and I decided to go ahead and pick up something different. If it's going to be air fried without the grease and taste almost as good, I'm down with that. So 70% fewer calories and I'm assuming 90% less clogged arteries. So I'm all down with that for sure. So without further ado, this is a 5-quart. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we have. I'm not going to run it right now, but I'm sure down the line I'll make a review video. So make sure you subscribe, because usually I always like to make an update video on how it's going, how it's been, and we'll definitely get a video of this bad boy being put to use. But this is more of an unboxing just to show you what it is. So this is the first kitchen appliance I'm doing a review, or not even a review on, but just a video on, an unboxing. So this is, I'm going to show you, this is 5 quarts, so we got a deal on this one. This is what 5 quarts looks like. Let's go ahead and close that over so you can see the logo and the brand there and know what this is. In case you dozed off, you don't forget what we're talking about. Just kidding. Anyway, let's get this bad boy going. Sometimes I like to speak slow and that brings out my Texas accent. And if I speak fast, you just never know where I'm from. Anyway, here it is. We're gonna go ahead and peel this bad boy off. Love that sound. Let's move that bad boy. This is what an air fryer looks like. Man, it's ugly, in my opinion. This thing looks weird. Doesn't look like anything you'd want to have out. Looks like Humpty Dumpty. It's gonna be sitting on your counter, in my opinion. But yeah, it looks pretty good. So, okay. Is that it? Is that what it is? Okay, I thought the top opened or something. Nope, I guess that's just a screen. That's that. And here's the tray of stuff that you're gonna be frying. So does that even come off? Nope, sure doesn't. This is it. So whatever you're gonna fry, you're gonna put in there. So that could fit a half chicken. That can fit some chicken legs. That's 5 quarts. Dang, doesn't look like it. But anyway, you have an open bottom there. So you have the rail and everything drips to the bottom, I guess. And yeah, that'll fit something. I mean, you know, put a whole bunch of whatever you're gonna fry. I don't really fry much. But you could fit some, I wonder if you could put the chicken fried steaks on top of each other. I don't know. But that's what it looks like. So that's what 5 quarts will get you. So that'll definitely do some funnel cakes and, you know, some hot dogs and all that good stuff. Oh yeah, I guess that's plenty enough, you know. Somebody to eat something that's fried. And the good thing is, the cool thing is, I guess we can fry anything. We can fry Skittles. We can fry mac and cheese. We can fry, you know, sodas. We can fry pickles. It's an air fryer. It's going to fry anything. So shove that bad boy in there, and since all I see is a plug at the back, I'm just assuming that this is a touchscreen. So all the controls, because there are, let's see, yep, don't want to break that. Yep, there are none. It's going to be a touchscreen. So all the controls are right there, and yep, digital. Oh yeah, okay. Digital one-touch panel. There it is right there. So temperature 400 degrees is showing on here. So let's kind of give you the rundown. This is the features that you can do. 10 preset programs, 1500 watts of power. Dang. 5 quarts non-stick basket, large easy grip handle. Well, it is right. So it's pretty simple. You have a screen right here. You have your tray. Boom. Pour it out on your plate. You're good to go.